Hello students, today we are going to learn about animations in MS PowerPoint. So what are animations in MS PowerPoint? Animations are the effects that you can apply to the content of a slide. Content meaning the sentences, the words that you type in a slide, and the images that you insert to a slide, or objects, as you can see, objects like this. So animations are the effects that you can apply to the content of a slide. Let's see how to apply animations to a slide. First of all, you will have to select the slide that you want to be animated. So let's add some animation effects to the second slide. So click or select the slide that you want, and as I explained, animations effects are applied to the content, to the sentences or to the words that you type, you add in a slide. So let's add animation effect first of all to this heading. For that you will have to select and then go to animations tab over here. Click on the drop down here. You can see a list of all the available animation effects. So you can select anything you like from here. I'll select split. As you can see, once you add animation, a number will be appeared here. So in order to preview, in order to see the animation effect, you can click on preview icon over here. Let's see. So that is an animation. Now let's add animation effect to this sentence, to this bullet point. For that, select, click on animations tab. From the drop down, you can select any animation effect that you prefer. I'll select zoom for the second one. And to preview, to see, you click here. Okay. So basically we added an animation to the heading as well as to the sentence. Now let's see how to add animation to this object and to this picture. So you can follow the same process. Go to the animations tab. Click on any animation effect you like. And you can preview it. Alright, so we have added animation effects to slide number 2. Now let me explain a bit more about this drop down arrow over here. There are 4 types of animation effects: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Entrance effects are the animation effects that shows the entry of a effect. For example, how the sentence or the object is going to appear, is going to enter the slide. Emphasis will show how to make it more, how to emphasize it. Now in order for us to use an entrance effect as well as an emphasis effect, you can of course select, first you can select the entrance effect. Let's say you want to add an emphasis effect also. So then you can select, without clicking on the main menu, without selecting from the main menu, click on the command add animation, this command over here, and then you can select any effect under emphasis category. Okay, so for this heading we have added two animation effects, which is an entrance effect as well as the emphasis effect. As you can see two numbers over here. You can see two numbers for this heading, meaning that we have added two animation effects for this heading. So let's look at it. Let's do a preview and see how it shows. Okay. So did you see both the effects that you just applied to the heading? So that is about animations. Animations are effects that you can apply, that you can insert or add to the content of a slide. And transitions are the effects that you can apply only to a slide when you move from one slide to the next. Whereas animations are applied to the content of a slide.
The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Albert Einstein.